How to use Phantom Wallet to buy meme coins. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Phantom Wallet and sign in with your wallet, and then you need to simply make sure to have some crypto into your account. Now if you don't have, you can click on purchase and purchase any crypto that you want to go with, because after that we need to do the swap to purchase our meme coin. So in this case, let's say you want to purchase some Solana, you just gonna need to enter the amount, click on the next button, and then you will have the option of payment method, which you can click on it, and then you can transfer it from your Coinbase just like that. Now once you have received your Solana or any other crypto, as I said, you just need to head over to your browser on the bottom right and then search for Jupiter. Now once you search for the Jupiter, this is the most popular place to swap your coins. So you just need to click on it and then connect your wallet. Now once you have connected your wallet, make sure to click on your paying and select the coin that you have in your account. As for the receiving, you just need to click on it and search for any meme coin that you have. So let's say I want to purchase Hammy as an example. So you just need to enter it, and then you just need to enter the amount how much you want to purchase Hammy. In this case, I want to purchase it for my 2 Solana coins, which I just need to enter, and this is going to give me an estimate amount and also the slippage settings. Now make sure to keep in mind that slippage occurs when an order is filled at a different price than the original specified by the investor. It can happen due to market volatility, rapid price movements, and liquidity issues. Slippage affects both buying and selling orders, so you need to make sure to choose it accordingly, and then click on save settings, and then you need to proceed further and complete the purchase, and you will gonna receive your particular meme coin right on this place where you can see all of your token list just like so. Hope this helped. This is how you can buy meme coins on Phantom Wallet.